In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Hello everybody, how are you doing? Would be doing great by the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. Dear friends, today I'm going to give you a very brief, rather comprehensive lesson about the music of English, and it's all about word linking. It means the merging of multiple words together until they sound as if they are only one word. It's not English music, I beg your pardon, it's music of English, and it's all about word linking. Actually, this very phenomenon helps you to use stress, intonation, and word linking to sound more fluent. Let's talk about some of the examples, some wonderful examples. Actually, it's in order to become more fluent in speaking English, and who would not like to become more fluent in spoken English. Yeah, this is lesson for everybody, but especially for those students who would like to become confident, fluent English speakers. So here we go. So it's all about music of English, linking word. We link words when one word ends with a consonant and the next begins with a vowel sound. All right? So the one word ending with a consonant and the following word actually begins with a vowel sound. So here the music of English is in action. Yes, that's right. Let's have a few examples first, and then we'll have some more examples. The first example is send Oliver a card. These are four words, but this is actually not. When English speakers speak it, they don't say send Oliver a card. They say send Oliver a card. They actually combine D with O, or rather link D with O and R with A. Send Oliver a card. Send Oliver a card. Instead of saying send Oliver a card, they would say fluently send Oliver a card. There's another example. When was it? When was it? So we are going to link S with I. It would be when was it? When was it? Right. So here, add word linking in these phrases and sentences. There are following more examples in which it will be crystal clear how to use the word linking. For example, I went in August. Went in August. We'll link T with I and N with A. I went in August. I went in August. It would be spoken like this. Is Robert as old as you? Is Robert as old as you? Taz. Taz old as you? Is Robert as old as you? So it will be spoken like this in fluent spoken English. Cheer up, Anna. So it would be sounding as if cheer up, Anna. Cheer up, Anna. Cheer up, Anna. R is linked with U and P is being linked with A. Cheer up, Anna. First of all, it will be pronounced as first of all. First of all. You can understand how the consonant sound is being linked with the following vowel sound. First of all, go for a walk, go for a walk, go for a walk, go for a walk. And the next example, he arrived yesterday evening. He arrived yesterday evening. Yesterday evening, you'll combine like this. And the total sound would be he arrived yesterday evening. Right here, it was a week ago. It was a week ago. Week ago. Ago. It was a week ago. It was a week ago. So the next sentence would be he spent a lot of money. He spent a lot of. He spent a lot of money. He spent a lot of money like this. The next example, at 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock, at 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Right. I have got a job interview. I've got a job interview. I've got a T would be linked with A and B would be linked with I. I've got a job interview. I've got a job interview. The next example is at 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. At 4 o'clock. It's on the corner of. It's on. S is being linked with O. It's on the corner of. It's on the corner of. Right. It was last autumn. It was last autumn. It was last autumn. Like this. It's this afternoon. Is this afternoon. Is this afternoon. At 8 o'clock in the evening. At 8 o'clock in the evening. So my dear friends, as I told you that we, especially the music of English, helps you to use stress, intonation, the rise and fall of the tone, and word linking to sound more fluent. So that's it, my dear friends. It was very interesting, but very a very important exercise which I have shared with you in the form of a brief lecture. I hope you will just get a lot of benefit out of it for becoming much more fluent and confident speaker. So it's your trainer NA Saqib. He's going to say you goodbye, and I'm going to see you in another uploaded video. Until then, stay blessed.